Hey, this is Brian Becher. I'm the executive chef for Cut by Wolfgang Puck at the Four Seasons Hotel Bahrain Bay for Visit Bahrain's The Guide. We start with USDA prime ribeye, season it very simply. Salt, pepper, a little bit of minced garlic. We take white onions, cut them as thin as possible, cook them slow and low to bring out that natural sweetness. Then we add the beef to the plancha. Nice caramelization to bring out our natural flavor from the beef. Our cheese sauce, which in Philadelphia is called Cheese Whiz, we make in-house with Vermont white cheddar. Our fries, we use Kennebec potatoes. We cut them by hand. The bread is absolutely paramount to the sandwich. In my hometown, this is called a hoagie roll. And lastly, we assemble very simply. It needs to be the right amount of cheese, right amount of meat, right amount of onions. So I'll be waiting for you at Cut. Come down, join me, have a cheesesteak. I guarantee you'll fall in love.